What's up, guys? Welcome back to another business funding tip. I am your host, April J. Fernandez, CEO and founder of SourcifyLending.com. And in this video, I'm going to give you a quick breakdown on how to use YouTube to grow your construction business. Now, YouTube is a very powerful tool. I believe YouTube is very, underrated, if you want to say that. And it's not used to its full potential, especially when in the construction, specialty trade industry. There's this one gentleman that's called the Millionaire Plumber, uses YouTube like crazy to generate business. Now, if for those that don't understand, why would I use YouTube? YouTube, one, is owned by Google, right? So especially if you're focusing on local business, right? Like let's say, for example, you're a plumber. If somebody in your area within a 5 or 10 mile radius of your business Googles, I need a plumber near me, the first person that's going to pop up on Google is going to be you. Why? Because you're using YouTube as leverage to position yourself in that area to be on the first page of Google. So you want to be able to create content, like basic content, maybe some of your jobs, you doing an installation, right? Provide valuable information on things that they can do as a homeowner before calling a plumber. So YouTube is very powerful. I suggest doing a piece of content every other day and you'll see the results. Hope you enjoy this. See you on the next one.